Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to schedule or delay send an email in the new look Outlook for Windows. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, to schedule an email in the new Outlook for Windows, you can click on New Email, and then you can enter the address where you want to send it to. I'm just going to call this test. And then instead of clicking on the send button, you can click on this drop down arrow here. And then you can click on schedule send. Then here you'll have some preset times. If you want to change the time, you can click on custom time, and then you can create a custom time. For this example, I'll just choose today's date, and I'm going to change the time to 11 p.m. and then click on send. And now that email will appear in your drafts folder with the current time that you created it, but it will be sent at the time that you selected. And once it's sent, you can go to your sent items, and then you'll find it in your sent items. So that's how you can schedule or delay send an email in the new look Outlook for Windows. And I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.